In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken anchor seat cover in a 4 Series. Let's go. What's up everybody, I'm Steve and you're watching F33. Now if you like this video, give a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss when a new video drops. Now my daughter absolutely loves riding in the back seat of the F33, especially when the top is down. Now being that she's only 7, she still needs a booster seat to ride in the car. Now the booster seat that we use is made by Peg Perego and I absolutely love how strong and sturdy this thing is. What is not strong and sturdy, however, are the anchor covers in the 4 Series where the seat mounts to. Now when I removed the seat for Cars and Coffee, I noticed that one of the covers was actually missing. After looking into it a little bit further, I noticed that one of the tabs had broken off in the cover and it fell underneath the seat cushion. Now this isn't a difficult fix, but it is a rather expensive one for what it is. This little plastic cover costs $25 and that is absolutely insane. I think something like this should be like $10. I mean, $25 is complete ripoff, but I don't want a hole in my car. Now I checked all over and everywhere I looked, it was the exact same price. So I'll make sure to put a link in the box below to where you can find one for your 4 Series. So be sure to check that out. All right, now let's get out to the garage so we can get this thing fixed. I'm tired of having a hole in my rear seat. Now the first step in replacing the cover is to remove the rear seat. Now this is done by pulling up the bottom of the seat firmly, which will detach it from the clips holding the seat in place. Now you're going to want to find all the pieces floating around from the rear cover, and you'll most likely find the cover and a spring. Next, pop the new cover in place, making sure that it's secure. Once you've got the new door in place, it's time to install the rear seat. Now this can be a bit tricky because of the seat belt buckles, but if you use the seat belts, it can help in feeding those buckles through the rear seat. Once you have everything lined up, press down firmly on the rear seat to lock it in place. Now, as you can see, fixing the rear seat anchor point covers in an F33 or any 4 Series for that matter is a really easy task. I just wish that these covers were cheaper. As always, I'll put links in the description below to all the products used in the video today. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, smash it if that's what you're into, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.